Hello, welcome back to Benasushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'm going to show you one more trick we can do with this setup with the Exec Node. In this example, I'm using the flower curve functions, and of course, if you want to find out how this curve, the function works, you can always kind of load it, load the module, and then kind of get a help here. This is how I usually do it. So flower curve have a lot of parameters that you can put in: the petal, inner radius, outer radius, etc., etc. And so based on these informations, we know that we can provide 1, 2, 3, 4 different parameters: the petal numbers, and then the inner, outer radius, and then the width of the petal, and all that. Instead of using like generative creations, I'm actually here using just text, and by doing it this way, we're actually creating some kind of presets. The preset itself is actually alive. So if I want to show you real quick, so I have this 1, 2, 3. I have 9 different presets, and I can select the flower based on the preset. And let me show it to you. For example, if I change the value here, this is 5 petal. If I change it to 6 or 7, 8, it will update automatically. And you can save this list, or you can give it to an artist, and then they can type their own, and then they can make modifications, and they know that they will actually get a different result based on this. So yeah, I think this is also pretty powerful because you can save it. And of course, the setup looks something like this. This text, these 9 lines of presets coming in as a text, and I flip it, because otherwise, if I didn't flip it, it looks something like this. You see, like column A, B, C, D. But if I flip the list, it's become like this. And then this is perfect for what we are doing. I just pipe it in into the V1 slot, and then this loop will do the rest. This is actually the function itself. I'll make it clearer like this. So flower curve is the functions as the output goes out. And if we add one more line, for example, I will have like 24 flower inner radius and an outer radius of 1.5, and then maybe it's 0.2 here, and I want to see the result. I can just go there. That's actually the one that I just created. So I can, always change this. So it's all become like a text value that you can put in. And yeah, I think sometimes a coder actually likes doing it this way. Sometimes you want it to be more visual, then you can set it up just like in my previous live noding video. But presets, I think preset is really good because you know what you want, and then you can always tweak it. If you like, you can save it. You can save this text, and you can always just bring the blend files, and whatever flower shapes you want to generate, you can always have it very, very quickly. And this can be like a good start for kind of like a gear or something. But anyway, that's just another idea that you can use. Hopefully you find this useful. If you're like a beginner coder, this can be very, very handy. Even though this is like a little bit more advanced, intermediate topics, but you can get used to this very, very quickly. So basically, like loading the module, and then you find out this module have these functions that you can use to generate this data, and you pass it into Sverchok, and you can get this very quickly. So that kind of interactive coding and noding is something that I really like, and I like to kind of share it with you guys. Hopefully useful. Let me know what you think. If you have any question, let me know. And thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.